How to fix Windows Explorer using 80 to 100% GPU. 1. Update your Windows. 2. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B. Uninstall and reinstall graphics drivers. 3. Clean boot your system. 4. Run the System File Checker, SFC, and Deployment Image Servicing and Management, DISM, as admin. Commands include, sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-helpdism/online/cleanupimage/check-helpdism/online/cleanupimage/restore health 5. Run the System Maintenance Troubleshooter.